The three most beautiful beaches of Kefalonia. Myrtos Beach, the most iconic beach of Kefalonia. Just look at those viewpoints along the road. Every turn feels like a postcard. The descent to the beach is quite steep, but the road is paved, making the descent more manageable. And once you are down there, you will be met by the dazzling white pebbles and crystal clear turquoise water. There is even a small cave right on the beach, which you can potentially swim into from the sea. We filmed everything with our drone, and the landscapes are absolutely out of this world. The beach is fairly large, but in summer it gets pretty crowded. So, if you are not a fan of sharing the beach with other people, try to come early in the morning or later in the evening. Our second favorite is Petani Beach. The road to the beach is also absolutely stunning. Sharp turns, mountains, and at the end, a stunning view of the sea. The beach has pebbles, but very comfortable to walk on. It's a great place to have a beautiful photo shoot. Again, the water is crystal clear, with incredible colors from turquoise to deep blue. The beach is smaller than Myrtos, but there are also fewer people. especially in the evening. The rocks stretching into the water catch the light perfectly at sunset. The sunset at Petani is pure magic. Definitely one of the best places on the island to enjoy the evening. Myrtos Beach is perfect for a comfortable getaway.
We are currently on the Kefalonia island, and as you can see from this hill, or even maybe a mountain, we can see the Isle of Ithaca there, which is of course the famous home of Odysseus or Odyssey, of course as written by Homer in his Iliad. So quite interesting that you can see all of these islands really just from the hill of Kefalonia, because you can also see Zokinth and all of the others. So yeah, quite a nice view and also an interesting point to note as well. And now we're going to go to the beach.
Thank you so much. It was interesting.
As the road to the beach is excellent, and there is a large parking lot right next to it. This is the beach bar. Everything is well organized, but the natural beauty is still intact. The shore is again pebbly, but the stones are smaller. The color of the water is just like before. It does get pretty busy during the day, but the beach is large enough to find your own spot. That's it. These are the 3 most beautiful beaches on Kefalonia.